Have you ever thought about starting your own profitable business? The first step, and often the most crucial, is identifying a profitable niche. But what exactly is a niche? Think of it as a specialized corner of the market where there is a demand for a specific product or service. It's a place where your business can thrive by satisfying a unique customer need that larger companies might overlook. Now, how do you find this niche? Well, it all starts with thorough market research. This means understanding who your potential customers are, what they want, and how they behave. It means delving into data, studying trends, and getting a feel for what's hot and what's not. It's about identifying gaps in the market that your business can fill. The key here is not just to find any niche, but a profitable one. A profitable niche is one where there is enough demand for your product or service, and where the competition is not too stiff. It's a space where your business can stand out and make a real difference. But finding a profitable niche is just the beginning. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create a unique and innovative product or service that meets the needs of your target audience. This is where your creativity comes into play. You need to think outside the box, come up with something different, something that adds value to your customers' lives. Creating a unique and innovative product or service is not just about being different for the sake of being different. It's about solving a problem or meeting a need in a way that no one else has. It's about making your customers' lives better, easier, or more enjoyable in some way. Remember, the more unique and valuable your product or service is, the more likely it is to attract customers and generate sales. So, don't be afraid to innovate, to experiment, to take risks. After all, that's what entrepreneurship is all about. Finding the right niche is the first step towards a successful business. Now let's move on to the next important aspect, scaling and automation. So you've identified a profitable niche. What's next? Well, the answer lies in two powerful words, scaling and automation. Scaling is all about increasing your business operations to serve a larger market or customer base. It's like making more copies of a successful recipe. But it's not just about replicating what works. It's about enhancing it, refining it, and making it even better. It's about taking that unique product or service you've created and making it available to a wider audience. It's about taking that one successful store and turning it into a chain of successful stores. It's about taking that one innovative app and making it available to users around the world. And then comes automation. Automation is about using technology to perform repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to focus on more important aspects of your business. It's about using digital tools and platforms to streamline your operations, making your business more efficient and profitable. Think of it as your virtual assistant, tirelessly working round the clock to keep your business running smoothly. Imagine having a system that can automatically sort and respond to customer inquiries, process orders, manage inventory, and even conduct market research. Imagine having a platform that can automatically post content on your social media channels, track user engagement, and generate insightful reports. These are just some of the things that automation can do for your business. But here's the catch. Scaling and automation are not one-size-fits-all solutions. What works for one business may not work for another. The key is to find the right balance. To scale your business without compromising on quality. To automate your operations without losing that personal touch. And that's where digital tools and platforms come into play. They offer a wide range of solutions that can be customized to fit your specific needs. They can help you scale your business rapidly and efficiently without burning a hole in your pocket. They can help you automate your operations without turning your business into a soulless machine. Scaling and automation can be the key to rapid growth. But remember, every business needs a flexible and adaptable approach. Because in the end, it's not just about growing big. It's about growing smart. It's about making your business better, not just bigger. And that's what scaling and automation are all about. How flexible is your business plan? Can it adapt to changes? These are the questions you need to ask yourself when starting a business. In an ever-changing world, adaptability is not just a nice-to-have, but a must-have trait. You see, no business model is perfect, and no market is ever stagnant. Changes in market trends, customer preferences, and technology are inevitable. And when these changes occur, your business needs to be nimble enough to respond and pivot accordingly. Understanding your target market is a critical step in this process. It's not just about knowing what they want right now, but also predicting what they might need in the future. This foresight allows you to tailor your products or services to meet these evolving needs, keeping you ahead of the curve and your competition. But being adaptable isn't just about responding to the market. It's also about being open-minded and willing to challenge your own assumptions. This might mean trying out a new marketing strategy, tweaking your product design, or even reassessing your entire business model. It might be scary, yes, but remember, the most successful entrepreneurs are those who are willing to take calculated risks. Networking and building relationships with potential customers and partners can provide valuable insights that can guide these decisions. So, don't shy away from these opportunities. They could be the key to your business growth. Adaptability can make or break your business. But what about the person behind the business? Who is the person behind your business? Let's take a moment to reflect on this. As we navigate the world of entrepreneurship, it's easy to get lost in the nuts and bolts of running a business. But at the end of the day, it's the individual behind the business who truly shapes its destiny. The person who breathes life into an idea, who dares to dream, and most importantly, who has the courage to take action. It's not just about the product, the marketing strategy, or the profit margins. It's about the vision, the passion, and the resilience of the entrepreneur. The success of a business is not determined by the business itself, but by the leadership steering it. A business can have the best product or service in the world, but without strong leadership, it's like a ship without a rudder. The individual behind the business is the one who takes on the risks, makes the tough decisions, and pushes through the challenges. They are the ones who inspire their team, who build relationships with clients, and who never stop learning and adapting. Their drive and dedication are the engine that powers the business. So remember, a business is only as good as the individual behind it. Keep this in mind as you navigate your entrepreneurial journey. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on successful entrepreneurship in the next video.